Think back to a difficult time in your life. Maybe you were struggling to pay bills, or simply living under completely different circumstances, and you performed in an intimate video. Now, years later, that footage surfaces online. The person who originally posted it might never contact you directly, but under the law, the continuous, uncontrolled circulation of this private content is categorized as an escalating form of online harassment. This harassment is built into the internet's architecture. Every share, link, and comment multiplies its reach autonomously. This digital expansion creates immediate real-world fallout. Victims face severe impacts on mental health, relationships, and financial stability as it spreads professionally. The sheer volume of links creates a paralyzing sense of exasperation. Many people accept the widespread myth that once something is published online, it is impossible to delete. The illusion of powerlessness is the heaviest toll of porn harassment. It leaves people feeling like their future is hostage to an infinite digital loop. But websites are not legally untouchable. When challenged by the proper legal mechanisms, the supposed permanence of the internet breaks down. The first mechanism lawyers use is intellectual property. If you filmed the video yourself, you inherently own the copyright to that original footage. Lawyers weaponize this copyright to bypass a website's internal review boards. By asserting a legal claim over the intellectual property, they can compel search engines and hosting platforms to execute immediate, permanent takedowns. The assertion of copyright forces platforms to recognize you not as a passive target, but as a legal rights holder holding leverage they cannot ignore. The situation requires a different approach if someone else produced the video and holds the copyright. In those cases, legal representatives can initiate negotiations with the producer. They compel the producer to sell back rights to the video, which gives you the required standing to assert your own IP claims. Even without copyright, there are alternative legal routes. Strict UK privacy and data protection laws, which heavily regulate how personal information and images are processed, can be used to legally pressure website operators into deleting the content. There is also a highly specialized tactic available, trademarking your stage name or pseudonym. This turns the very title or tags of the video into an intellectual property violation every time the footage is hosted. By layering privacy laws with these trademark tactics, legal teams can strip away the distribution power of the offending platform, regardless of who originally held the camera. Occasionally, a massive mainstream adult website will outright refuse these legal requests and attempt to leave the intimate videos online. When that happens, lawyers escalate to the highest tier of legal enforcement, a blocking injunction. A blocking injunction is a court order completely locking down UK web traffic to the non-compliant site. Mainstream websites rely on high traffic. Faced with losing a country's visitors, platforms will immediately delete the videos rather than absorb the financial hit. Digital permanence collapses when a website faces an existential financial threat to its core business model. Erasing the content is the priority, but the legal process can also penalize the specific individuals responsible for the exploitation. Consider one recent case where a producer illegally ignored a victim's desperate pleas to remove a video for 5 years. After legal intervention, the producer was forced to sign legally binding agreements halting all distribution and was ordered to pay the victim £20,000 in damages. Executing this playbook requires highly specific expertise. You must retain legal counsel that specializes exclusively in internet law and has the infrastructure to operate at digital speed. Cohen-Davis solicitors are the legal experts equipped with these exact strategies to wipe this harassment from the internet. Moving on with your life is completely possible. It simply requires stepping out of the shadows and utilizing the correct legal tools to strike back. If you need complete, permanent removal of these videos, stop waiting. Contact Cohen-Davis solicitors at 0800-612-7211 or use the link in the description below to get started. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more essential legal explainers.